No, I'm actually glad that you both have decided to move this forward.
Look at you. My baby is now a big girl.
I know, right?
Honestly, I feel like the luckiest guy on the earth.
Of course you are.
Thank you, babe.
My pleasure.
Oh, I'm sorry my dad couldn't make it. He had a meeting with the board of directors.
Oh, it's okay. I mean, we understand. He's quite a busy man.
Thank you, sir.
We need to start making wedding preparations immediately. It will be the biggest in town.
Absolutely. My daughter's wedding will be the biggest in town. I'm sure of that. All
Mommy,
respect.
Daddy, please can we take it easy with the preparations? I mean, we only just got engaged.
And what does that mean? Isn't there a wedding to plan?
I know, but have you forgotten? I still have my NYSC camp to attend.
Oh, you don't need to worry. I will just
Daddy,
change.
no. You are not going to get a certificate for me, okay? I want to go to camp and do what my mates are doing. When I'm back, we can start with the huge preparations, hopefully.
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, my princess. Your wishes are command.
Princess,
Yes, Mommy.
what's going on? I noticed your mood at the dining. For the good news on ground, it wasn't welcoming at all. What's the problem? Talk to me.
Mommy, I feel like everything is happening so fast. To be honest, I don't think I know Stanley enough to take this bold step with him. And in our 5 months of dating, I sincerely do not feel a spark between us.
Come on, my princess. Don't say that. Do you know who Stanley's father is? He's in the right position to get your father the senatorial that is.
Exactly. That is what it is. You and Dad are consciously pushing me into getting married to Stanley because of what you stand to gain from his father. Mommy, don't you think about my happiness?
Of course we do, my princess. Stanley has all it takes to make you happy for the rest of your life.
No, Mommy. Mommy, who said I'm not happy? I am happy. I am happy enough. Mommy, look around. We have everything. We have all the riches. We have enough. If Daddy wants the senatorial seat, whatever, you should go and look for it. And you're not in the position to say or prove that to me. I don't think I'm ready to risk spending the rest of my life with someone I am uncertain and unsure of. And besides, what's the rush? I'm just 24. Mommy, I still need time to think about this whole thing.
Okay, my dear. You still have 3 weeks. When you go to camp, you can think it through. I just want you to know I'm your mom and I know what's best for you. Stanley is the best man for you. So please, enough with all the second thoughts. Come on, cheer up. All right? Cheer up, my princess. That's my baby.
Honorable.
My apologies for not making it to dinner. It was an important meeting I couldn't afford to miss.
It's all right, Honorable. Your son sent you apologies.
My pleasure. How is everything going? When are we going to start preparations?
Everything is all right. I mean, it's going well. We're just waiting for Stella to complete her youth service and we kickstart everything in earnest.
See, I must express my excitement. I am so excited.
I'm more excited than you are. And then, Honorable, don't forget the little promise you made me.
Of course I do. Anything for my in-laws.
Thank you, my in-law. You know, they say that the in-law is someone's God. I'm looking forward to it, in-law.
You see something? Once the election kicks off, I will secure that seat for you. In fact, consider yourself
Thank you,
the
Honorable.
senator.
Thank you, Honorable. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye, Honorable. Okay. I just wish all these work out as they are panning out.
Please come over. I've been begging you for a while now. Did you miss me too?
I do, boy.
Come on now. The last time I saw you was 2 days ago.
2 days? But you're sounding like I haven't seen you in decades.
Well, it feels like a decade. The minute I stop seeing you is the minute I start missing you. I can't stay away from you for too long. One reason we are getting married soon, so I can wake up to your beautiful face every day and get to come back and see you in my space for the rest of my life, baby.
I'm sorry, Stanley. I can't come over. I'm trying to get my things ready for camp tomorrow.
Oh, isn't it tomorrow you're leaving?
Yes, I am.
And you don't deem it necessary to come see your boo? At least come spend the night here. You can leave for camp from here by tomorrow.
Stanley, like I said, I can't come. I have to get my things ready for camp. Please, probably when I come back, okay? Bye.
Look at this girl. Babe. Babe. Your husband's to come and help you pack your stuff and you're sleeping.
Lina, you're here already.
No, I'm there. What's going on? Why aren't you packing?
I've tried. But I can't focus.
What's the problem?
It's Stanley.
Little couples fight.
Oh, please don't start with your drama right now.
Whatever. So what did the poor rich boy do again?
Nothing. I just...
Whatever. I'm very sure you guys will figure it out. But the most important thing to me right now is the engagement. You know me, I like to party. Engagement party. When is it happening?
There is no party until I am back from camp.
If you say so, but I'm happy for you. I can't believe you are getting married. Girl, I'm so happy for you. I mean, you are getting married to that sweet, rich guy at 24. God, I beg. Am I a potato? God, where no?
No, to be honest, I am not happy.
Why? What's wrong?
Well, I and Stanley became friends because of the relationship our parents have. And in no time, we are getting married because of that same reason.
So?
My parents are subconsciously pushing me into getting married to this guy because of what they stand to gain from his family.
So, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is, it's not right. Please. I feel like I'm just the means of exchange here. Lina, don't look at me like that. Okay? Am I wrong? What do you think about the whole situation?
Babe, I think it's perfect. I mean, Stanley is the right guy for you. He's educated, he's rich, he's handsome. I mean, you're just going to go from riches to riches. You know, be small girl now, you know.
I don't know. I just think...
Mom, don't think anything. What are you thinking? I don't like what you're doing. You started thinking, what's going on? Don't think anything. I mean, it's normal for you to feel this way. It's a very normal thing. And it's just how it looks like. I mean, emphasis on what it looks like. So just let things be. Don't think too much about it. Anyways, how long are you going to stay in camp?
3 weeks.
That means you won't be needing a lot of luggage. And plus, you'll be wearing more of your copper uniform. Secondary school girl.
It's not your fault.
Anyway, so let's pack, you know.
Hey, babe.
Thank you very much, babe.
Anything for you now. I'm really going to miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Yeah. Should I help you in?
Oh, no, no, no. No, it's fine. I can handle it myself.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Love you.
Bye. I said I don't give my number to strangers. Please leave me alone.
Come on, that changed the stranger status. If you give me your number now, we'll get to talk, we'll get to know each other. And I have a lot of money, I will take care of you, take you out. And after this camp, I will take you on a vacation.
Well, I'm not interested.
What is all this rudeness for?
I said I'm not interested.
Come on, you don't have to be rude. You're not even up to my ex or girls I talk to on a normal. What's doing this one?
Guy, why are you harassing a young lady like this? She said she's not interested in you. What's your problem?
Who be this one? What's your business here?
Trust me, I try to be quiet, but I cannot just stand, you harassing a young lady like this, especially when she doesn't find you worthy enough to have a contact.
Oh, you're now James Bond. You're trying to protect your Juliet, right? I see what you're doing.
If you are a big boy, like you claim that you are, then you should know when a lady is clearly not interested in you. Not all of this shenanigans, okay?
No worry. You see you. I've marked your face. Watch out. I'll see you around.
Look at him.
Thank you very much. No one has ever stood up for me like you did just now.
Oh well, you can call me a superhero.
Okay. Thanks, but you don't have to do that. I can take care of myself. I don't want to put you in any trouble.
It's fine. I love it. I love putting jerks like this in their place, especially when they feel like they can override women because they have money or because they're stronger.
You sound like a feminist.
We should all be feminists.
If you say so.
I'm Max.
Hi, I'm Stella.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Max.
Be careful around here, okay? I'll definitely see you some other time.
Bye.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
I'm sorry if I scared you.
Actually, you did, but it's fine.
Oh. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm well. So what's so special about this place that you're sitting all alone by yourself? I mean, without a phone or a book?
Maybe it's the serenity or the quietness or the cool breeze.
That's what the hype. But are you missing home already?
No, not even a little bit.
Sounds like you have annoying siblings.
I wish.
Are you the only child?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see.
How about you?
Well, I used to have a little sister.
Hi.
I used to have a little sister, but I, lost her to cancer 5 years ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry about
Oh
that.
no, it's fine. I mean, it's all in the past. So, what are you looking forward to in your stay here?
Happiness?
You don't look sad to me.
For real?
Yes. But anyways, I'm right here.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Okay, so on the streets, they call me happiness.
Okay.
I guess you've had enough of the whole serenity, breeze. Let's just go.
Okay.
Do you mind?
Thanks.
Lizard, look. It's just a lizard, come on.
Sorry.
Oh, here.
Thank you very much. You're such a lifesaver.
Ajebo, you couldn't even follow me to get the water just because of this small exercise we did.
Did you just say small exercise?
Yes, small.
That is the most I've done in a long time.
I see.
Oh, please don't judge me. It's really stressful.
Auntie, it's a campsite, okay? And it's designed to stress you.
Well, the sun got the best parts of my skin today. I really wish these pools were a bit clean because it's really what I need right now.
You swim?
Yes, very well.
Oh, how well? Because I guess I'm better.
I am a fish when it comes to swimming.
Okay, then I must be a shark. Okay, so tell me, what else do you do for fun? You know, when you're bored, when you're tensed, and when you're obviously roasted by the sun?
Well, take a guess.
You're a farmer?
I don't understand. What?
As a joke. Okay, so do you play football?
No, I wrestle.
Really? Undertaker? With these hands?
Well, I was joking.
Better.
I play football, but only on screens.
Like video games, like you mean FIFA, PS?
Yeah, I own a PS5.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's usually just me. So sometimes I get bored, sometimes sad. So I just play to get my mind off it when I feel these emotions.
I really like that.
Why?
Because, I mean, I won't have to call my guys when I'm in the mood to play games again.
Great.
Are you not going to ask me what I do for fun?
Okay, what do you do for fun?
Okay, your turn. Take a guess.
Let me see. You read ghosts?
What do you mean by that? Oh, payback. Nice one. No, actually, video games.
Oh, that's nice. I guess we have a lot in common then.
Obviously, because I really can't wait for us to leave camp and then I start whooping your ass.
You wish I would beat you hands down, eyes closed, in fact.
Till then. Anyways, do you still want to rest? Or because obviously you're tired?
Yes.
About that you are.
Yes, I still want to rest.
Oh my god, lizard! Come back, come! I'm joking! This girl.
Please don't touch me.
What's that? I just want me. You always point to do this one. You
You
never
calm
give me your
me
number.
down now. See as you fresh. You not too go match.
I said don't touch me.
Now we there here.
What happened? Why you there around this?
What's
What's
up?
up?
What's happening? Are you okay?
Who are
Oga?
you?
Are you okay?
Oga, what happened?
You guys should stop.
Why you nobody okay?
Why you there around this? What happened?
Stop.
What happened? Oga, you free me there. Don't worry. Come on for here, Joe. What's wrong with you guys? Eh? Do you come to this camp to cause nuisance? I'm talking, you are looking at me as if... Leave properly! Don't be stupid. Not lucky. Not lucky. Say that girl no call him Papa come. Do you even know who that girl father is? He can decide to shut down this camp and get you guys arrested. By now, you will have been in jail. What's that? Do you think you can be bullying girls around? And you, what are you wearing? I'm asking you, what are you wearing?
Of course, I do not take my size.
No, I'm coming for you. I'm coming back for you. From today, I don't want to hear any talk of you are bullying people. What's that? Now get up! Get up! And go back to your quarters. I don't want to see any of you outside again. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
You, I will deal with you.
Guy, wait now. Guy, wait.
My guy, wait for me now.
Free me now, free me.
Wait.
Free me.
No vex, wait now. Follow me talk. Why you do like this now?
Come on, you know this thing. There's hierarchy in power.
What happen?
Okay, now they fight because of woman now, Abi. They fight up and down.
Okay, I no follow me talk like that, I beg. You know see what happen.
How make I no follow you talk like that?
I beg. I go change her for you.
Change her for who? Change her for who?
You see this girl? Yeah, I don't just want any problem. Oh. Never knew this girl has this kind of father. I just pray she should not go and call her father and tell her what happened.
Guy, I swear to God, you too dey fear. Small threat this man threatening us now, you don't dey shake like waiting, I don't know. Hey, do like that now.
And they fear, Abi.
Nothing will happen.
Don't worry now. Listen, anything concerning that girl, count me out. And only me my mama get to.
Bro,
tell you.
not wait till I tell you be that to wait now.
It's my fault. I got you into that fight. I am so sorry.
It's fine, Stella. It's not your fault.
Thank you again for standing up for me.
Stella, it's fine. It's a pleasure.
I guess it's safe I can call you my guardian angel.
Yes. Alright, see you. Bye.
Hey Max.
Hey, what's up?
I'm fine. I'm sorry for what happened with the boys.
It's fine. I'm fine.
But wait, why do you get involved in a fight because of her? I mean, she's not even your girlfriend.
This is not about if we're in a relationship or not. It was just the right thing to do at that point. Who knows? It could have been you. And I would have done the same thing.
Who cares?
What do you mean?
Oh, nothing. Nothing.
I'm waiting for my friend Stella, so I'll see you some other time.
Oh, Max, can I buy some of your time?
Okay. What's that?
Since I have a glimpse of you in this camp, I haven't been able to get my mind off you. You take all my boxes. You are smart. You are kind. Obviously, you know how to treat a woman right. And I've been giving you signs, but you've chosen to be blind towards it. Max, I like you.
Oh.
Oh, really? Is that all you have to say? Don't you like me, Max?
I like you. You're human, and you've not done anything for me to dislike or hate you.
That's not what I'm talking about, Max.
In that case, I don't know what you're talking about.
Is it because of Stella?
What?
See, just think about what I told you.
Okay. Bye. Baby girl.
There were a lot of people there. I'm sorry I'm late.
Is this for me?
It's for us, the both of us.
Okay, this one. Oh! How's it going? Can you give me that answer? What's the problem? The payment.
Lily, what's your problem? Now why body dey pepper you? Calm down now. Lily! Hey! Lily! Girl, wetin dey worry you? Why you dey act funny?
Why body no go pepper me? You say you know they talk truth. Wetin that mark see for that girl body? Wey no dey my body? Check me out. I can't believe that guy turned me down because of that girl. Eh? She yellow, I yellow. I get flesh, she no get flesh. She be like panla. Eh? Panla Igbo. Check me now. Check me, babe. Eh? Talk the truth. Wait. Are you saying she's finer than me?
Nobody said that.
Good. So what is it? What is it, babe?
I guess we might never know.
Oh. See that guy. Look at now. You say you dey see him. The guy fresh. Fine. Why is he making it so hard for me? Hey, why is he making it so hard
Girl,
for me?
you have a boyfriend. What's your problem? Calm down.
So, please, that doesn't change anything.
See, I hope you know that if your boyfriend gets to find out about this thing, there will be war in this camp. Girl, leave that innocent boy now. Wetin happen? You won't put him for trouble. He say you don't want to, you no go rest.
Who's going to tell him? Is it you? I trust you. You will not dare. You dare not.
See, make I tell you. Just dey calm down. The boy no want to be saying no want to. No, they push yourself. Now they make and they look you anyhow. Girl, respect yourself, I beg. You too cheap. Your own, you worst. You follow man when no want you.
Now you know. This guy, I go get him. Max. Now me and you for this campus, I go get you. Now me know you.
What's going on here?
Nothing, sir.
Hello, where are you without your guardian angel?
Well, I'm in my quarters.
I'm sensing somebody wants to bully you right now, so I would advise you come and sit beside me now.
Silly you. Where are you?
My favorite spot.
Alright, I'm coming.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Hey,
Hello, what's up?
I'm good. What are you doing here? Waiting for me?
You? No, apparently. I'm waiting for my friend.
I'm guessing he's Stella.
Absolutely. You're right.
But what do you see in that girl? Look at me. What exactly does she have that I don't have? This girl is putting you through so much stress. The other day, you got beaten her because of this girl. Now you are here waiting for her. You're a fresh boy. You don't deserve all this stress from a girl.
I honestly don't see you the way you see me. And I don't know. I'm not just ready to be in a romantic relationship with you.
Trust me, you are saying this because you don't know me. I'm a sweet girl. I can take care of you.
I'm just being honest. Why did you do that?
Because I like you. I like you.
When will you understand that?
I see the guy you're walking around with in camp, and I don't know why you're trying to do this with me.
Oh, really? Don't worry. I see you are jealous. I'll break up with him. Don't worry. If you want, I'll break up with him now.
I don't know how else to say it. I don't like you that way, and I just leave. Please. Thank you. Please leave now. To start with, Ajabo, how did you get up here? Who put you here?
How's that your business?
What's the matter? What's wrong?
Nothing.
You've been quite distant from me today, and you've been ignoring me all through. So I just wanted to know what the matter is.
Am I?
Yes, you are.
Maybe I'm not just in the mood.
I mean, what's wrong? So yesterday, I was waiting for you at our usual spot. You didn't show up. I was calling you. Nothing.
Well, I did come. Only that you did not see me because you were busy kissing your girlfriend.
Oh, that. You saw that?
Yes, I did. Now can you leave me alone?
I didn't kiss her, Stella.
You must be joking. Or am I blind?
Stella, it didn't happen. I didn't kiss her. Trust me. It's not what you think it is. Guy, everything happened now. Guy, now. Waiting's up.
Stella, are you okay? Hey, what do you mean you are falling in love? You mean you are falling in love for the second time or what?
Lina, I know I met him just a few days ago, but we clicked in a minute. He's everything that I want in a man. He ticks all my boxes without leaving any. I think he's really cool, he's really calm, and I'm really in love with him.
Look. You better kill that feeling because you know it's not going anywhere. You are engaged, madam. Didn't he see your engagement ring?
I hid it.
Eh? You did what? You hid your engagement ring. Are you serious, Stella? What do you think you are doing? Your fiancé is here waiting for you so everyone can start making preparations for your marriage. And you are there falling in love with another man. Ha, madam, better come off it. Sharp. Come off it, oh.
I've heard you. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Stella, you've not been taking my calls.
I guess I was busy too.
See, Stella, I didn't kiss her, okay? I honestly didn't kiss her, and it was just a peck. If you had stayed there long enough, you would have seen that it didn't happen.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. I have eyes for you, alone in this camp, Stella. From the moment I set you free from that riffraff, I just knew I didn't want to lose you. I can't even stay a second without you. I like you a lot. Look at me. I like your charisma. I like your smile. I like everything that comes with you. And I like when you know, there's a way you look at me, I just really, really love it. See, I feel something very deep for you, but I don't want to be very forward with my intentions because I don't want to ruin the friendship we have. And I don't know if you're down for what I'm down as well. I can't wait to leave this place.
Honestly,
I can't wait.
Stress is too much. It's too much.
Hey,
You again?
I just want to.
You just what? Can't you see I'm with my friend?
Oh, that doesn't affect anything.
It does, please. I've told you several times, I am not interested in you. I don't want to have anything with you. So, just do yourself a favor and leave.
I just.
You just what? Just go, please.
Fine.
Just go.
I will leave.
Thank you.
Guy, easy now.
Guy, no. I beg.
Why you go dey follow woman talk like
Can't you see she almost ruined things between me and Stella? And I've told her I don't want to have anything to do with her.
Stella again. Now you make you dey follow that woman, that girl talk like that. Eh?
I beg. I feel follow her talk anyhow. I've told her I don't want to be with you. It's not hard. Why is she still disturbing me?
But you get how you go dey follow and talk.
I beg. I've tried my best.
All this kind of thing, I know they like am.
I beg.
See, now the girl just.
That is the two of his business. I don't care.
So how far have that Stella girl? How is this with both of you?
We are heading somewhere.
Wow, that's good to know.
Yeah. My guy, I better wrap my suit and make I dey go. That one just won't come spoil things for me. You go chop. Later, my guy.
No, I like this one. Yeah, I do like this one. Let's take that one. It's okay. Wow, look at that. That's so beautiful.
Ben! Pat! What is going on here?
So what does it look like? Or should I ask you, what did you see?
My best friend.
What's wrong with that? She told me everything.
Jeez.
You were busy chasing another guy. Come on. Don't you have shame?
Why will you do this to me?
Come on, can you stop? Pat told me everything. But come on, look at you. You're beautiful. And you have me. What were you looking for? Chasing another guy like a dog. I'm sure he must have given you the embarrassment that you deserve by now.
And then you choose my best friend.
Come on, sweetheart. What would you have me do? What would you have me do? You wanted me to fold my hands, sit in loneliness, while you're busy chasing another guy? Come on, she was there to fill in that gap that you left.
Ben, why will you do this to me? Even you, I called you my friend. My best friend. But no wonder you said we are going to serve in the same place. So this has been going on between you for a very long time. Ben, you know what? It is over between me and you.
It's over, baby. She just broke up with me. Heartbreak. Heartbreak. What did you say? Oh, what are we doing here? You the art comedy, are we? Welcome around there, eh? It's over between us? Wait, are you just realizing that now? It's been over between us since. Oh, you value me? No, you don't. If you do, you wouldn't be chasing on that stupid guy. Come on, look at me now. I no try.
Lily. Don't even try to say you are sorry here.
Sorry. Me. Apologize to you. Look, you deserve what you got. Did you hear me? Look, Ben deserves better. And that's me.
It's giving.
So, don't even think I'm going to apologize to you.
It's
nonsense.
She's crying. She wanted me to be the one to cry. She wanted to say you go change her.
I can't believe you're leaving camp tomorrow. So soon.
What do you mean so soon? Well, you meant 3 weeks, seem like 3 days for me, and spending time with you is the highlight of my staying camp.
I know, right? I really wish we could stay a bit longer. I really don't want to go home yet.
It's fine. I mean, as long as we're both in Lagos, I would always check up on you. We'd always, catch up with each other.
I don't understand. My house is very, very chaotic for me.
I can relate, okay? But as long as you're in Lagos and I'm in Lagos, we can always catch up with each other. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. A second without you is like a very long time.
Okay then.
My dad is really funny. I know you can't tell, but he's called him Egghead when he was in school. Guy could crack a good joke.
My goodness, he did that?
Yeah! It was the best, man. There was no teacher that wouldn't laugh anytime he's talking. Yeah! Oh my god. Good times.
Don't worry, Stella will soon be here.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see her. I really miss her.
I can imagine. Are you sure you don't want to take anything?
Oh no, I'm fine.
You have lots of money.
I trust you.
Look who's here! My princess! Hello, my baby. Look at you! Oh my god, you've lost some weight. I need to feed you real good. I missed you so much. Oh, I'm glad you're home.
Mommy,
Relax.
I miss you so much.
I missed you too, my princess. Success? Success? Please come.
Like the Soja guy is already taking care of me.
Look who is here!
Welcome, Ma.
Hi. Welcome, Ma. Please take her bags to the room. So, I have to leave you guys. I need to prepare your favorite dish.
Okay.
So I have to leave you guys, alright?
Okay, Mommy.
My princess. Good to have you at home.
Hey,
Hi.
I really did miss you though.
I miss you too.
And I was thinking about you day and night. Stella, where's your ring?
What did you not tell him?
I told him I was about to take a shower and I took it off and forgot to put it back on.
He almost got you.
Tim, I'm tired of playing these crook and corny games with this guy. I think it's time I let him know.
That what? You want to tell him what?
That I do not want to marry him.
Hey, you are joking, right? So, just because, this is life, we are no longer in NYSC camp. You are back to reality. You can't just tell him you are no longer interested, just like that.
See, I don't think I can do this with Stanley. I don't like him. I'm not just feeling this guy. No matter what he does or say, it just doesn't impress me. I am not interested in him. Period.
You are joking, right?
Do I look like I'm joking to you? Would you rather have me impress everyone and suffer for the rest of my life all in the name of marriage? I won't let myself be the price to pay for my father's political interests.
But this guy is good for you, you know? I mean, he's handsome, he's educated, he's rich. What else do you need in a man?
See, it's not just about being handsome and having money, being rich. Look around. Are we poor? If you even look into this matter, my father might be richer than his. It's just because of this position. My happiness and peace of mind is important too, and I am not ready to trade it for anything.
Hey, this is getting serious. So don't tell me all this is happening because of that guy you met at camp. What's that his name again? Max, or what do you call him? Hey, this guy is blushing. Finished woman. You are blushing, Stella.
Oh, Lina, you won't understand. I am so in love with Max. Unlike Stanley. He's calm, he's nice, he gets me, he's very, very protective about me. He's just everything I want, everything I like. I just miss him so much.
Hey, you're a finished woman. Sure you know. Sure you know. Ah, incredible. They've taken this guy away. Stella.
What?
Son, what is the matter? Why were you sounding on the phone as if you were being chased by a lion?
Dad, she dumped me.
She dumped you? I don't understand. Who dumped you?
Stella! I don't understand either. I was waiting for her to come back so we could get married, spend the rest of our life together, have kids. And now she's saying she's no longer interested. What did I do? What? Dad, I don't know what to do.
Wait. Are you serious? So Stella told you she's no longer interested in the marriage?
Yes! She even returned the ring. She returned the ring.
Son, I need you to calm down. I will handle this. Stop drinking. Go to your room and relax your head. Huh? I will handle this. No. I say stop drinking. Leave it. To your room. What's this nonsense I'm hearing? Why would your daughter call off the wedding? Why now?
Honorable, I have no clue about what you're saying. She didn't tell us. I know I can't support such nonsense. You know.
Look, consider all the promises I made to you gone. If this is a game your daughter wants to play.
Honorable, but it hasn't got to that. It hasn't.
Yes, it has. Look, we'll be making preparations on our end. I have made plans already, and she thinks she can wake up one morning and call off the engagement just like that.
Don't take Stella so serious. It's just nonsense. And don't worry, I'll talk sense into her. I'll bring her back to her senses. You can be sure of that.
You better do. You better do. Look, no one dumps my son and goes scot-free. See, if she doesn't marry my son, then you stop dreaming about getting the Senate seat in this forthcoming election. I don't understand.
What did he say?
You see, the senator said he will call off making me a senator because Stella called off the wedding. Oh, nonsense. Where is she?
Darling, please.
Where is she?
That's fine. Just leave, please.
Where's Stella?
She's coming.
Coming from where? Where is this girl? Come back here. Come back here, Stella. Come back here. Come here. So, you want to embarrass me? You want to disgrace me? Why did you call off the wedding?
Because I am not interested anymore.
What do you mean you are not interested? A few weeks ago, you accepted the proposal to marry him. And suddenly, you called it off. Why did you change your mind? What suddenly happened?
I do not like him. I've never liked Stanley. Okay? I only accepted because of how you and Mom are always singing it to my ear of how important his family is to us. What? Yes. Yes, I do not want to marry him. I only accepted because of you. But I don't want to anymore because this is life we're talking about. It's my life and I deserve to be happy.
Stella, are you insane? Are you out of your mind? What have you drank? Why do you want to embarrass the family? Why do you want to bring shame to the family? Do you want to embarrass me?
Daddy, I do not love him.
I can't believe this.
Who is that?
Yes.
Sir, ma, instead is Stella's friend.
You can go.
Okay, sir.
Max, what are you doing here?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma. Stella, you were not picking your calls, so I came to check up on you.
Stella, who is this?
Daddy.
Speak up, Stella. Who is this young man?
He's my friend, Max.
Oh. Young man.
Yes, sir.
Where did you meet my daughter?
We met a few weeks ago in camp, sir.
Ah. Great. Oh, you met in the camp. Sweetheart, are you seeing that?
Now I'm beginning to understand. Don't tell me this is the reason why you called off your wedding.
Wedding? Stella?
Who's your father?
My father is late, sir.
Who is your mother?
She's a trader in the village.
You are the son of a nondescript father and then an irredeemable mother who is a nobody. You came to look for my daughter. Huh?
Sir, I'm sorry. I must have come in at the wrong time. I'll just take my leave and...
Not so fast, young man. I am going to teach you a little lesson that will make you not to come looking for my daughter again. Johnson! Johnson! Johnson, come here. Now, sir, take this son of a nondescript family out of here. Teach him a little lesson. Sir, I'm making him to come back here.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
Now, will you get out of here?
Sir, I'm sorry. Just please, sir.
Oh, Daddy, please now. Daddy,
Go back before you get grounded. See.
Daddy, please. Let me go for him.
Go back.
Sweetheart, can you see? Can you see how water got into the coconut? Can you see?
She needs to be taught this.
Lie down, fella. Face the ground.
Max, this is the second time this girl is putting you in this condition. Stay clear from that girl. I beg, I don't want to holla. Which kind of thing be this one now? See the way they beat you like thief.
Guy, it's painful.
Oh, it's painful, but if not love, it is sweet. Papa tell you say stay clear from him daughter, you know the year word. Tomorrow now, carry this your coconut hair, go meet am. Every time love.
Guy, they mad.
Oh, you feel they raise voice for me, but when they beat you outside, you no feel raise voice.
Set for me now.
Yes. Get the car ready. I'm going out.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Mommy.
Good afternoon, Lena. How you doing?
I'm very well, ma. How you doing, ma?
I'm doing just fine.
I'm glad. Let me go and meet Stella upstairs.
Unfortunately, she's not at home. Please
Oh.
sit. I want to talk to you about something.
There's no problem, ma.
There is a problem. A very big problem.
What is the problem, ma?
I don't know what has come over your friend.
Stella?
Yes, Stella. I'm sure you're aware about the embarrassment she dragged us into. She called off her engagement to the honorable son. The honorable son. Not just anybody. What sort of embarrassment is that? I'm now regretting letting her go for that program. She was the one who insisted, actually. That certificate is what her dad can get her. Just with one phone call. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that I'm aware of. But, ma, I think at this point, we just have to just calm down.
Calm down? No.
Yes,
We can't calm down. Our reputation is at stake here. Lena, I need you to do something for me.
Anything for you, ma.
I want you to watch over my daughter for me.
Oh, you mean I should take care of her, look after her and all?
No. I want you to be our eyes outside. Report her every move to me. Where she goes, who she sees. You know what I'm talking about. I want you to spy on her for me.
Spy?
Yes. Oh, come on. She's not going to know. Don't worry, I'll pay you. It's just a little favor.
No, I don't.
She won't know about it. Come on, Lena, you can do it.
I don't think I can.
Lena.
No.
Omo, Baba, this your food wey you dey chop. Na big man food o.
Normal level now.
You know, give me chop inside.
I don't understand. So go buy your own. Order.
Okay, now you reach your turn now. You say make I go the order.
When I beg food from you.
Oh, you know they remember those ones.
You gotta move, Jare.
No wahala now. Guy, I don't dey go for that level.
Oh, okay now.
Okay now. You know they go CDS.
Who CDSF? I beg they go there alright.
Okay. Okay, now see you later.
I go see you for evening.
Stella, what are you doing here?
I came here to see you.
See me? Do you want to get me into trouble again? What your dad did to me the other time, isn't that enough for you? Stella, please, I don't want any trouble from any of your family members again, okay? Just leave.
Max, please, I'm really, really sorry. I'm not trying to get you into trouble.
Why didn't you tell me you were engaged?
Because I do not love him. My parents are trying to force me into marrying him because of their own political interests. And to be honest, I didn't want to bring him up because I didn't want to ruin what we were building.
Well, I guess we can't build any further.
Wait, do you mean you're giving up?
No, but...
No, but... Max, I'm so in love with you. I don't see myself walking away. I'm ready to fight for the love we share, but I need you to back me up. I need you to fight with me.
Stella, you know I love you too. But what your dad said is correct. Look at me. I'm just a commoner.
You're not a commoner. Don't say that. You're the love of my life.
Stella, where have you been?
What are you doing here?
Come on. I've been waiting for you for a while now. I've been worried.
I went to Lena's place. We went out together.
Babe, we both know that's a lie.
Please, can you stop calling me babe? And I don't understand why you policing me in my father's house. Where I went to, how is that your business?
Is this what we're doing now? You want to see that guy, right?
Yes. And it is none of your business. Look, I try to do this in a peaceful way, but you all are pushing me. Stanley, I am not going to marry you, okay?
What?
So just leave me alone.
Stella! Stella! I was just worried about... you.
So far, nothing has changed. My son says the situation is still the same, and even getting worse. Your daughter hasn't taken back the ring, and she's acting so funny. I'm not going to compromise. If she doesn't get back to her senses, or you are not man enough to make her, then consider my agreement with you over.
Honorable, please, just give me some more time. My daughter will eventually come around. I promise.
More time is what I don't have. Whatever you want to do it quickly.
Lena, I told you to keep an eye on my daughter for me. I'm yet to get any tangible information from you. I paid you as we agreed. It's obvious you haven't done your job properly. What's the problem? She's not doing anything? She goes out and we know nothing about her whereabouts. She comes back late and we know absolutely nothing about it. You're supposed to be our eyes, Lena. You know what? I'll send you more money. Please, just get the job done. It's very important. All right?
Sweetheart, this why you're looking like this. What's the matter?
Can you believe our daughter is still seeing that way? Even after all our warnings.
I will be fine.
I spoke to her friend to spy on her for me. She just sent the address. It seems it's the boy she has been visiting.
Her child is sick. Something is wrong with her. What's happening to her?
Now that I have the address, I have an idea.
What's the idea?
Yes, please.
Mommy, Max has done nothing to deserve this. I was the one who went to his house to look for him. If anything, I should be the one in prison.
You shut up!
Now you listen. He will remain in that custody since you and him have remained stubborn. I will keep him there.
Oh, Daddy, please. I beg you in the name of God. Please release him for my sake.
See, come here. Come here. You are my angel. You are Daddy's girl, Daddy's happiness, Daddy's princess. I can release that boy now. All you just need to do is go back to Stanley. And that's it. All this drama will end here and now.
Daddy, I can't.
Look at this girl. Why are you proving so stubborn? Do you know your father can get him killed and nothing's going to happen?
Mommy, I cannot make a promise I know I won't keep. So please, just release him.
Enough of all this, Stella. I'm tired of your drama. How could you stoop so low? The guy you're chasing is stuck in poverty. I was shocked when Lena sent his address. He lives in a poor environment. And you go there to visit him all the time, Stella. Have you forgotten who you are? Have you forgotten who your father is, Stella?
Mommy, did you say Lena? Lena exposed Max's residence to you?
Babe, what's up? You had to see me. Are you fine? What's the problem?
Lena, so it was you. 7 years of our friendship and you broke my trust because of money? Lena, look at me. You sold the trust I have for you to my mom? How much? How much did she pay you to spy on me? Because of you, Max is in police custody right now. He's being beaten up severely and starved because of absolutely nothing. And there's nothing I can do about it. Are you happy now?
No.
Are you happy, Nina?
Still, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for all this to happen, to be honest. Like, find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry. I mean, to be honest, your mom she kept on pestering me. She even gave me money.
She gave you money? That boy is the only son of his widowed mother. If anything should happen to him, I will never forgive you.
I'm sorry. To be honest, I didn't mean for all this to happen. I'm so sorry. Please.
Lena, get out.
Please.
Lena, get
Stella,
out.
let's talk about
Get the hell out of my house, Lena. I said get out!
Hello, ma. Max has been arrested, though.
They arrest my pikin?
Yes, ma. He got involved with a politician's daughter. And ever since then, this man has been tormenting his life. And I warned this boy. I warned him. Now he's in the police custody for a week now. I've tried to bail him, but all to no avail.
Ha! I beg. I go find money. This week I go call Lagos. Ha!
Okay, please, just try and come so we can bail him out, please, ma.
Okay, thank you, my son. Thank you.
Very much, ma. Thank you, please. This boy, I warned him countless number of times, stay away from this girl. Now he has landed him in trouble. He's in police custody. God.
Madam, I said leave this place.
I know they go.
Leave this place right now.
I won't see your guy. I know they go anywhere.
Don't let me rough handle you.
I know they go. Hey, who there, madam? Oga?
Madam, leave. If I should open this gate.
Oga, madam.
Madam, leave this place.
I don't
want to touch you. I don't want to touch you. Just leave.
No, I know they go. Oga,
See,
madam.
Don't let me lay my hands on you. I'm only doing my job. I'm doing my job here, you know.
Hey, God.
Madam, leave.
I know they go. Madam, Oga. Hey, who they there?
What's going on there?
Madam, this woman, no. I don't know what she's looking for.
Madam, I beg. I won't see your guy. I won't see you. Oh, God. I beg you. Oh, God, I beg you now. Only that boy be the only thing I get for the whole world. Madam Oga, I just dey beg. That be the only picking where I get. Oga, I get 2. His sister don't die 5 years ago. As you see the boy, so he don't even get papa. Now only am I get. Oga, I beg. I won't promise you something. For in life, he no go ever near your picking again. Not even for the life when he go come back again. Madam, Oga.
Madam! Your son is stubborn. Let him leave my daughter alone. He's suffering from his stubbornness.
I know, Oga.
So what do you want us to do now?
Madam, just give us this one last chance. Oga, give us this one last chance. You no go try am again. You no go near your pikin. Oga, now beg, madam, let me beg Oga now. I beg you in the name of God. I just beg. Maxwell, wetin dey do you? Wetin be the color of your problem? Maxwell, they don't warn you, so they even beat you join. You know they think at all? My pikin. No, wait, may I even ask you one question? Say na only that gate for the whole Lagos as a big rich?
Mommy, you understand.
No, they hear yourself.
Mommy, you understand.
What do you want make I understand? Because as I dey like this, I no wan understand anything. Maxwell, I just wan beg you, because no near that girl again now. You dey hear me so? No go meet that girl again. Just leave the girl. This wahala don too much.
Mommy, I've heard you. Mommy, no wahala. Mommy, you are at the police station now, where they make me sign undertaking. I should not near her again. You were there. I can't go close to her again.
Better now. That one good. You know, you be the only pikin where I get. Since your papa leave us go, even your sister self don't go. You must swear. Pity me. You be the only high where I get. The high where I take the sea. You must swear. You won't buy because of woman? You won't leave me because of woman? I just beg you now. I must swear. I beg you. Don't kill yourself because
Mommy, this one you are crying now. Should make I join you to cry?
I'm going to go promise
calm
me.
down,
You
mommy,
go promise me. No go go be that girl again.
I promise you, mommy.
Eh,
Mommy, I
Pastor.
promise you. No problem, ma.
Anyhow, we be here. Just let me know.
Max.
Stella. What are you doing here, Stella?
I just came to see you. I heard you've been released.
The same source that supplied you this information should have told you that I signed an undertaking not to come close to you again. It's really over, Stella. I mean, it's over.
I know. But I really wish we met in a different world. I'm so sorry, Max.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault, Stella.
Have a nice life, Max.
Have a nice life, too.
Love is a song that I sing. Love is a song that I sing. Love is a song that I sing for you, my love. And love is a song that I sing.
Stella. Stella!
Oh,
Come here.
yeah. I will sacrifice for you, my love. I will give you all that it takes. I will sacrifice for
Where are you coming from? Now you listen. From now onwards, you don't leave this house without permission, except you're going to see Stanley. I've informed all the guards and the security. Am I understood? Am I understood?
love is a song that I
It's somebody you're trying to help, and she thinks you want to destroy her.
I sing. Love is a song that I sing for you, my love. And love is a song that I sing. Oh, yeah. I will sacrifice for you, my love. I will give you all that it takes. I will sacrifice for you, my love. I will give you all that it takes. You're one in a billions, my love. I can't love another. You're one in a billions, my love. I can't love another. Oh, yeah. And yeah, even the pains, I will love you. I will bear the scars for you. Even in pains, I will be there for you, man. Even in pains, I will love you. I will bear the scars for you. Even in pains, I will love you. I will bear the scars for you. 'Cause love is a song that I sing. Love is a song that I sing. Oh, I will sacrifice for you, my love. I will give you all the things. I will sacrifice for you, my love. I will give you all the things. 'Cause you want it
Stella?
billions, my girl. I can love another. 'Cause you want it in billions, my girl. I will never love another. Sacrifice.
Hi, Stella. Hi, I just saw your text now, and I'm so glad you want to fix things. I've been thinking about it, like the way we left things. It wasn't good. It wasn't cool. And thanks for texting me and picking my call. Are we are we good now?
Sure, we're good now.
I guess I have something that belongs to you.
And what's that?
The ring. The ring.
Oh, okay, you can bring it back.
Stella, since we are good now, how about we go out, do something fun, have some excitement. All right.
Okay, that's fine.
See you soon. I'll book us a place right now. Ah, damn.
Sweetheart, look, I married you as the most beautiful in your village. Are you going to add anything to the beauty? Now listen, we have to see the wedding planner, and from there have a meeting in the office. Can we go? We're already late.
Daddy, I'm coming. I'm wearing my shoes.
Ah, please wear them now. No, I should ensure those legs, by the way. Wear them. There she comes.
All right, I'm here
I
now.
thought you were going to come out. No,
Just do what you like.
Just looking the way you were when I married you, the most beautiful in your village.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, but the people gave me a tough time before I married you. It took a lot of time. But I think
If
I'm
you
going
say
to show
so.
those legs. I will.
All right, I'll be waiting.
Oh, your phone is ringing.
Hello?
What's that? What's that? What? Doctor, did you say my daughter can't conceive or walk again for life?
Yes, sir, sadly.
Oh my goodness!
Is there nothing you can do? These complications are too many. Can't you do something?
The accident she was involved in led to a pelvic trauma. There was a fracture in her pelvic joints and her knee joints were badly damaged.
Oh my God, no!
When she was brought in, we tried all we could to fix the fracture, but to no avail.
Is there nothing you can do? Take her to anywhere. Money is not the issue. We will raise the money, we will pay. Just bring my daughter back to life. Is there nothing that can be done?
Sir, even if you take her to another hospital, this is not something money can solve.
Oh dear.
Oh God! Please save my princess!
I'm so sorry. It's okay.
Starling, why is your face like this? What happened? What's going on? Talk to me.
Stella was in an accident.
Stella had an accident? When? How?
I just came back from the hospital. And as we're speaking, she's in a very critical condition. Doctor says she might never walk again.
What?
Says she might never have a child.
No, it's not possible.
I said we could even get specialists or flying a doctor, but...
Just calm down, calm down. She'll be fine. Just...
How can I stay calm? I'm
calm
useless.
Down. You're not useless. I need you to calm down.
Help her.
Yes. There will be help, so just calm down. I understand how you feel.
That you don't.
I do, son. Just calm down. She'll be alright. Just calm down. Calm down.
Doctor, please. I am prepared to do anything humanly possible to make sure my daughter is treated. I could fly her to any part of this world and pay for her treatment. Please, help me, please.
Mr. Agbe, I know who you are, and that's enough reason why I won't withhold any information capable of helping your daughter. You already brought her to one of the best hospitals on this island. She has been placed under the care of the best doctors and nurses. I've told you it's a 70-30 case. Let's just hope that she works again. That's all I can say.
Please, doctor. Please, do anything. Just put any iron on the fire to make sure that she gets well, please. Please, I'm begging you.
I'll try my best.
Thank you. God bless you. Oh, please, God. Please, it's time you did something. Please.
I need you to stop crying. You've been crying for so long now.
This is too hard to bear. Stella is my only child. Does that mean I will carry my grandkids?
No, Mom. All hope is not lost yet. Let's just hope she gets better. There's nothing God cannot do.
He should save her. He should save her, please. I want her hale and hearty.
I need you to stop crying.
Oh, my baby. My princess.
Who is this?
Hey, handsome.
Who am I speaking with?
Don't tell me you deleted my number. Really?
I don't have time for all these games. Who am I speaking with?
Well, it's Alicia, your ex-baby girl.
I thought I told you to stop calling me. Don't you get the message? Stop calling me! I'm about to get married, woman. See, next time you call me, I'm going to rain hell down on you. Hell you've never seen before. Hell you're not even ready for. If you don't call my number again! Ah! Doctor, I'm willing to pay any amount. I don't mind. But what can we do to save her from this predicament?
Look, I know you all love Stella. But it seems like you're forgetting I'm only a doctor here. I'm not God.
I know that. I do. But there has to be something, right? Anything.
Look, we're all trying our best here.
Well, your best isn't good enough, is it? We can fly out of the country. Bring in the best doctors. Anything at all. I'll get you a house. Get you a car even. Just name your price. But you have to save her. Please.
Mr. Stanley, Stella will be fine. But the chances of her ever walking again or carrying her own child is very low and beyond medical services. Like, even if you take her to the best hospitals in the world, it won't make a difference. The only thing that can save her right now are your prayers.
Oh God. Oh God.
I'm so sorry.
This can't be happening.
Max.
Alpha.
Why you not tell me say Stella get accident?
Stella.
Stella nah. Stella wey don't chop many beating on top her head.
Yeah, Stella.
You know you say she get accident?
No. Where?
So you know the social media, you know you everything. Wait, make I show you.
I've been offline for like...
Wait, make I show you.
Eh?
All this, you know, all this rich man, if anything just happens, small thing, bloggers don't help them carry them. So you want them to say you don't hear anything. You don't see anything.
She's the one. No?
She's the one. Now you didn't know. After so many beatings, everything, with everything you don't go through for this girl. Police, everything involved beating. Now see where you don't land down. Accident. Another one, don't come now. God. Has that get fine reach? Oh, now love. Only God know what happen. And you talk say you don't know him.
I really need to go and see Stella. My goodness. How could this happen? Why Stella? Why? Come to think of it, appearance as something else. The very last time they dealt with me mercilessly, like I was a nobody. Who knows what they'll do to me this time around? I'm so scared. They might even say I was the plot of this whole accident. But I really need to go and see Stella. I need to see her. I can't stay here knowing fully well she's at the hospital. I don't care what anyone has to say at this point. I am going to be by her side, no matter what it is, and help her get through this.
Love is a song that I sing. Love is a song
Stella.
that I sing.
I'm so sorry this happened to you. I'm sorry I wasn't by your side while you're going through this difficult moment. Stella, you just need to stay alive. Stella, please, whatever it takes, you need to fight through this. You just need to survive. You don't have a choice. Stella, you need to stay alive for me. I can't afford to lose you. I can't. God, please. Whatever it takes, God, please save Stella for me. God. Stella, please. God, please. I don't want to lose her.
Even the pains, I will love you. I will bear the scars for you. Even in pain, I will be there for you, man. Even in pains, I will love you. I will bear the scars for you. Even in pains, I will love you. I will bear the scars for you. sacrifice for you, my love. When it has the most, I will be there for you. I can love another. I can love another. I can love
Mom. Mom, you need to see Stella's condition. It's so critical that she's in so much pain and I'm just very scared for her. Mom, I just have to go and stay with her in the hospital.
I know say you too like this girl. The thing where they be say the condition where this girl dey bad too much. And my pikin, he no get anything where you feel do. Make you no forget oh, they don't want you make you comot your body from this girl body. You just want risk your life for person wey no know say you get this life. I just won't beg you because now only you I get.
Mom, this is someone I'm so much in love with. I can't just stay and watch her like that while I do nothing.
Mas,
Ma.
leave this girl alone, Maswell. This girl family, they get money where not be small. And that money where they get, they fit take and solve any problem where they get at all. They go take and solve and finish. And this girl go dey alright last. I don't want to make anything happen to you. Because if anything do you like this, na me go suffer am. The time where you put your body for this girl life.
She's awake.
Ah,
I'm so happy you're awake.
thank God.
How are you feeling, my princess?
Better, yes.
Are you sure?
I don't know. I just feel so much pain.
It's alright, my princess. Just take your time, okay?
My dear, you'll be fine. Hmm? Princess? You'll be fine, eh?
Daddy,
Hmm.
you guys don't seem too happy to see me awake. What's my current situation?
See, Stella, you're just waking up. Let's just focus on how you are going to get back on your feet. Then other questions can come later. Okay? Please. Alright, my princess.
You'll be fine, don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine soon.
You can't keep telling me what to do. You can't! I'm your father and I have the right to tell you.
Well, you can't control my life.
Oh,
okay?
I can't control your
I'm
life.
going to marry her.
And I said no!
What do you mean no? I love this girl, don't you understand?
Starling, I insisted you married her before, but now it is no!
I love her. If we need to adopt, we'll adopt. Okay? Whatever it takes, she's the one I want to be with. Don't you understand that, Dad? Don't you?
Oh, so you want to adopt? Is that what you're saying? So what am I going to tell my friends? That my son is getting married to a cripple? So you want my family name to go into extinction?
Are you listening to yourself, Dad? Is this about your friends? What about my happiness? My happiness, my wife, my marriage, my family!
Starling, your happiness. You're getting married to a cripple and you call that happiness? Your memory has been beclouded. Yes, I don't understand.
I'm going to marry her and there's nothing you can do about it.
Starling! Starling! This boy is joking. A cripple? Honorable Samson's house? No.
Take it easy, Stella.
Take what's easy, huh? Take a look at me. Who would settle for this? I can't even carry my own child, Max. With all the money my parents have, they can't even take me out of this situation. I am doomed, Max.
Babe, don't say that.
This is all my parents' fault. They did this to me. They keep pressuring me in every phase of my life. I've never had peace. They were going to marry me off to someone they know I'm not in love with. And because of that, I had this accident. I just want to die. Just
No,
leave me, let me die.
babe, no. Stella, don't say that. Irrespective of the complication, I don't care if you can't walk again or you can't carry your child. You're still Stella, the girl I fell in love with in camp. I will never leave your side, irrespective of the situation. If I have my way, at this point, at this very moment, I will marry you. I don't care what your complications are. That is how much you mean to me. Stella, I need you to understand something. I love you much more than you can imagine. If there is anything I can do at this point, even if it means donating my leg just for you, I will gladly do it. I love you too.
Love
Stay alive.
is a song that I sing. Love is a song that I sing. Love is a song that I sing for you.
Yes.
Please forget about the wedding we were planning between your daughter and my son, because that won't work anymore.
Honorable, what happened? Why the sudden change? What has gone wrong?
Are you seriously asking me that? Do you expect my son to marry a cripple or a woman that will not be able to give me grandchildren? Let me ask you this. What if something happens to my son in the future? What happens? Then someone's child will take over what I have worked hard for all my life.
Honorable, those children love each other.
Don't give me that. We both know your daughter was only going to marry my son. So why should he take such risk for her? Listen, I have made my final decision. You and your people should stay away from my family.
Honorable, you can't take such a decision. Look, Honorable, I'm flying my daughter out of this country and I'm spending every fortune I have to bring her back to herself. So why don't you give us a little time, Honorable? Just a little time, that's what I'm asking.
Enough with this falsehood. And about the Senate seat, consider it gone.
Honorable, it is only a tree that is told that to be cut and it stands. They will see the end of this.
Love is a song that I sing.
Ma, please, food is ready. Come and eat. Ma, please come and eat your food. It's ready. I'm not eating. You guys should just leave me alone. Ma, please, just come out and eat. Open the door. Ma.
Princess? My princess is mommy! Sweetie, come and eat your food.
I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
Princess! Please come out. It's mommy. My princess? Princess? Come and eat your food, my darling.
Leave me alone!
Princess, don't say that to mommy. Please come out. Princess?
Open the door!
Stella. Stella, it's Stanley. Please open the door. Please. I need to talk to you. Please. Please. Stella. Stella, why are you doing this?
Look at me. I'm a mess. My life is a mess.
No, Stella. Please. Don't say that. I don't like to see you like this. Everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be fine. I promise.
I hate my parents so much.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Stella, I know everything doesn't seem like it's making sense right now. I can't even say I understand what you're going through. I really wish there was something I could do. I wish there was some way I could turn back time. I wish there was some way the accident never even happened. But you have every right to be happy. And this is not going to be easy for me to say. But you don't have to marry me if you don't want to, Stella. I saw you and Max at the hospital the other day and it broke me. It broke me because I could see that you guys were in love with each other. Honestly, it drove me mad with jealousy, envy. I could tell that you guys were happy together. I really could. And I guess part of loving someone is letting them go sometimes. And I love you. I will always love you. I will always care about you. And right now, the only thing that matters is your happiness. I want you to be happy. Even if it's not with me. I really do. Everything's going to be okay. I promise.
Thank you, son. Thank you very much.
Oh, Stanley, you're welcome. You said you wanted to talk to us.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Amma. I thought long and hard about this meeting. And it's no easy thing for me to be here speaking to you about this. But I think we can all agree that we all care about Stella here. And it's because of that care I'm here. I think it's glaringly obvious. Stella and Max care about each other deeply. And I don't want to be the one to stand between them and their happiness. I would like to appeal to you to let her make her own decision. Let her choose who she wants to be with. There's no need for us to compel her against her own wishes and happiness and joy. I want her to be happy. I know we all do. I've decided to accept things as it is.
Stanley, I thank you so much for coming here to talk to us. On behalf of my wife, we're grateful. And then also to congratulate you for taking this step, for making this decision. It hasn't been easy for us with all the situations surrounding our our daughter. And then we had thought that your relationship with her would blossom into marriage. But it was unfortunate that it wasn't going towards that way. But having heard from you now, I think we appreciate this, that we can then allow the relationship between her and Max to blossom, to have free reign so that they can freely love each other without any encumbrance. We thank you so much for your magnanimity. It's not every young person that would think the way you have thought now. Thank you. We're grateful. So, my wife and I thank you so much. And then, when you go greet your dad.
But are you sure you've thought this through and you are comfortable with this decision?
I have. I really have.
So thank you very much, Stanley. Thank you. Wish you good luck in your future endeavors. We pray that you find someone who could love you like you loved our daughter. So thank you so much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Stanley.
You know, I passed through the hardest phase of my life. I thought I wasn't strong enough to be able to pull through. But I had y'all standing at my back strong. Most especially you, Stanley, Max, and Lena. I don't know where I would be today without your love and support. To you, Stanley, thank you so much for being the most understanding and loving young man. I really pray that someday you will meet someone who is willing to reciprocate the huge love you have to give. And Lena, thank you so much for being my best friend. Even though I'm still mad at you for snitching on me.
I love you right back, bestie.
Mommy, Daddy, thank you for putting up with my stubborn head and loving me so much.
My princess.
And Max, I will forever cherish you. Thank you so much for being you. I love you.
Stella, telling you I love you right now cannot describe what I feel on the inside of me. I am excited and I'm happy and I'm grateful that you're alive. It gives me a very strong sense of reasoning that I should never leave your side. I would always be beside you. Stella, I love you so much, and I'm saying this in front of Mom and Dad and everyone here. I will be the happiest man in this room and on earth if you grant me this special request. In the presence of Mom and Dad and everyone here, Stella Agbi. And just like that, we call you my princess. Will you be my wife?
Yes, 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 yes.
Sweetheart,
Darling,
my princess, on your behalf, welcome Max to our family.
Thank you, Daddy.
And I can assure you, from today, you are welcome to our home. What we have now belongs to you.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mom.
In addition to that, tomorrow, you will resume at the company.
Daddy, 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 Thank you.
And your mother, your life will change from today. This is just the beginning. Stanley, you are a young man that has behaved like no other young man. How many young men can do this? Well, thank you. You've stood by my daughter. So how many young men will be here today? You're here. So whatever problems we've had in the past, we'll bury them. Your family and my family will still remain friends. And then you're welcome to my home any day. And to you all, thank you so much for being part of this wonderful occasion. Sweetheart.
Darling.
Success? Wow. Please bring the wine.
That's my princess. That's my princess. All right. It's time for excitement, enjoyment, and eat and drink what you want.
Daddy, can I start calling her my wife?
Ah, not so fast. Hold on a bit. So can we have a drink?
Please come.
Yeah, so we shall have a toast. Okay, now you come. Right.
Thank you, darling.
Max?
Yes, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Now you give it to Madame. And then we'll start the toast and then you bring the rest. So we shall toast to the life of Max and my princess for their long life, their longevity and productivity of Max and my daughter, the princess. So shall we now toast to their life? Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip! Congratulations now. So bring for the rest. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Have you seen my ring today?
Love is a song that I sing. Love is a song that I sing. Love is a song that I sing for you, my love. And love is a song that I sing. Oh, yeah. I will sacrifice for you, my love. I will give you all that it takes. I will sacrifice for you, my love. I will give you all that it takes. You're one in a billions, my love. I can't love another. You're one in a billions, my love. I can't love another. Oh, yeah.